Good morning, children. The poem name is Modern Missionary. Everyone knows that what is the meaning of mission. That's made by man. Right? Yes or no? Missions are made by man only. I am a man-made mission. The mission can, if the mission speaks, that mission will say that one I am man-made mission. This is the poem written by Joseph Rudyard Kipling. Joseph Rudyard Kipling. I'll read this one. You just listen first about the poet. Joseph Rudyard Kipling, born on 1865 and he died on 1936. Joseph Rudyard Kipling was a British Indian. He was born in Bombay. He is well known as an English short story writer, poet, and a novelist. Kipling received the Nobel Prize of Literature in 1907. Kipling is the best known for his work of fiction The Jungle Book in 1894 and Kim 1901. He is regarded as the major innovator in the heart of the short story. Now we'll read the poem, then enjoy the poem. Before reading the poem, I want to ask you something. Any one of you can say any 5 activities you can do without the help of any kind of mission. Any kind of mission. You think it well and then afterwards I'll ask you and you have to answer me. Then think of 5 activities you do with the help of missions. If I ask the question, everyone will answer me quickly now. Yes or no? Yes. Because in that picture only, the modern missionary in picture only they gave. There was a grinder, mixie, fridge, mobile, calculator, fan and television, the computer also. Isn't it? We are grinding everything for the breakfast, the cooking items and all we are preparing in the grinder. We have storage for all the food items and all in the fridge. In mobile, we are having the communication to each other. In computer, you are having storage the documents and you are playing and drawing and whatever, etc. etc. In television, we are seeing the live program and stories and cinema like that, right? So, what are the damage we face when we don't handle a mission properly? When you are not any missions we are not handling properly, definitely it will be damaged. So now we have to find out traveling in a car or bullock cart. Traveling in a car and bullock cart. Those days people traveling one place to other place on the animals, horse, donkey like that. Then they use for bullock cart. Now all people are traveling by a car, right? In calculating sum mentally or by using the calculator. When simple sums we can calculate in mentally. 5 5s are 25 easily you can say. Then 25 into 17 we have search the calculator to calculate easily. Drawing a picture by hand or using a paint brush in the computer. You are doing in computer class, first you starting only taking the computer and drawing and painting everything, right? Now just we'll read the poem and enjoy the poem. Modern missionary. We were taken from the ore bed and the mine. We were melted in the furnace and the pit. We were caused a wrought and hammered to design. We were cut and filed and tooled and gauged of it. Here in the first word sentence, we were taken from the ore bed and the mine. What is the meaning of ore bed? Ore bed means rock from which metal can be mined. Rock bed. What is the meaning of mine? M-I-N-E, mine. Here the place from where minerals are dug out. Place from where minerals are dug out. So copper mines, gold mines, coal mines, isn't it? From that place they are taking that material. We were melted in the furnace and the pit. What's the meaning of furnace? Enclosed space for heating material at a very high temperature. We have in iron, when you are melted, in what type of metal we can melt it in a high temperature we can mold them. We can beaten up the metal to bring them into particular shape. That is means wrought. So wrought means what? To work, and hammer to design it. Hammer to means beaten up. We were cut and filed and tooled the gauge to fit. What is the meaning of filed here? File, to cut or sharp something. That is called file, right? So take the file and sharp the knife, we are telling. So that is the filing. Make just to cut or sharp shape something. In what is the meaning of the tool and gauge to fit? Gauge means what? To measure. 1 kg, 2 kg, like that we are telling, no? With daily life, that is a gauge to fit. In the first paragraph, the poet described the process or stage of the manufacture of machines. The ore is mined. The metal is designed or processed in industries to get the desired machine. Okay, so we'll go for the second stanza. Some water, coal and oil is all we ask, and a thousands of an inch to give up play. And now if you will set us to us task, we will serve you 4 and 20 hours a day. That means 24 hours. The second stanza mentioned that they just consume some water, coal and oil for the fuel to work for 24 hours by occupying a small space.